Hi, welcome to Math 10C. My name is Mr. Dave Matson and I'll be your teacher for the course. I'd like to highlight a few things about the course for you before you really get going with your learning. The first of which is what the Math 10C page looks like. You'll see at the top of your page a picture, and then down below that, of course, you'll see some introductory paragraphs introducing to you what the course is all about. And then before you see these tabs here, up here, this is the stuff that you'll be doing in the first couple days here, just really introducing yourself to the course. The first one, of course, is the course outline. You just click on the course outline and it will bring up for you a Word document showing everything about the course. The second thing are these three introductory activities. Two of them are forums and one of them is an assignment. So first of all, let's take a look at the Introduce Yourself forum. You can see here what this forum is all about. It's just for you to basically introduce yourself to the learning community. And you'll do a post. You'll see my post right here. This is just me introducing myself to everybody here. And then it gives you an option here. You can reply to posts. What I would like everyone to do is once you've made your own post, is to reply to at least two other posts just saying hi or asking questions and trying to get to know each other a little bit better. Back onto the main page here. So there are two other activities, introductory activities. One of them is called One Thing That Describes Me, and I'll leave it to you to read that and reply to that. And then another one is called Tiny Assignment, Math in Real Life. Again, I'll leave that to you to read and to work out what you need to do there. As for the actual course, you'll notice that there are 4 units in this course. Unit 1, 2, 3, and 4. Each unit has a certain number of modules. As you can see here, Unit 1 just has Module 1. However, the other units do have more than one module. Unit 2 is comprised of Modules 2 and 3. Unit 3 is comprised of Modules 4 and 5. And Unit 4 is comprised of Modules 6 and 7. So let's go back to Unit 1 and take a little bit more in-depth look about that. So if we click here onto Module 1, you'll see a few things about this page, one of which is the navigation. So one way to navigate is by using the navigation bar on the right-hand side over here. That can help you navigate throughout the course. Another way is by using these arrows. As you can see, this is the end of this chapter of the book, so there's no forward arrow pointing to the right. Another way to navigate is through the breadcrumbs at the top of the screen up here. If you ever want to get back to the main page, you can always just click on Math 10C. So if we start with the actual learning, you'll see Lesson 1 in Module 1. Let's click on that. You can see here, this is where the actual learning begins. It describes what the focus of the course of this lesson is, what the outcomes are. It tells you where there is a lesson assignment. You can always click on this assignment and save it to your personal drive. That is part of where your marks will come from for this course. So navigation again, let's go back to the top of the screen. You can see up here, if I ever want to go to the next page in the cycle, I just click on Next. It'll take me to Lesson 1, Page 2. And so embedded throughout here are all of the through all the lessons here are little activities for you to do. And you can see them typically by the blue font that they're in. So you'll click on it and it'll bring you to another activity for you. So basically, that is how you'll do the course. Also embedded throughout here, you'll see places for you to hand in assignments and little discussion forums for you to ask questions or from your classmates or to ask questions of me. Anyway, I hope this hasn't been too long for you. Hopefully that's a pretty good introduction for the course. Enjoy, and if you ever have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me. Happy learning!